In this video, I'll tell you 3 simple things that you can do to avoid green lines on any OnePlus 11R phone. Also, I will talk about 3 reasons why green lines happen on OnePlus 11R phones and how you can fix green line if you already have green line on your phone. A large number of OnePlus 11R users are facing green lines on their phone. Some users are also reporting purple lines along with the green lines. There are also some others who make fake green lines on their OnePlus 11R like this video.
अरे नहीं यार, ऐसे कैसे हो गया? मेरे फोन में ग्रीन लाइन आ गई।
First of all, I'll briefly explain why green lines are happening and what is causing green line. As you already know, in the AMOLED display there are small red, green and blue LEDs. These LEDs are connected from the top of the phone screen to the bottom so that they can get electric current from the battery to work. So in some specific cases, some of these LEDs stop working. So in case of phones having green line, only green LEDs are working and red and blue LEDs are damaged. Similarly, in case of phones having purple line, green LEDs are destroyed and only a few red and blue LEDs are working, causing purple color. The line is appearing from the top of the screen to bottom because that's how electric current flows from battery through the screen. Now I'll talk about 3 reasons why green lines are happening on OnePlus 11R phones. First reason is manufacturing defect in the AMOLED displays used in OnePlus 11R phones. So when extra current flows through the LEDs or when there is a slight heating of the display, the LEDs stop working. This can happen maybe because of phone heating during installing a new software update, phone charging up with the 120 watt fast charger, extreme gaming sessions on the phone. Anything that causes heat can damage the LED. Before talking about 3 ways by which you can avoid green lines on any OnePlus 11R phone, I will talk about the only fix that's available to people who are affected by this problem. As of now, OnePlus is giving free screen replacement for people who are affected by green lines in India. But the question is, what if you are getting a green line again on the replaced display? In that case, I don't think OnePlus will be willing to give you a free screen replacement. So the only relevant thing is to follow these 3 simple steps and you can avoid green line on OnePlus 11R and even any phone that's having AMOLED display. First tip, never use the phone at high brightness. Whenever possible, keep the screen brightness at minimum, and even if you are going outside, make sure that you are not putting the brightness to the way maximum. If you are using maximum brightness for a long period of time, the LEDs will quickly die out and you will have green line. Second tip is avoiding software updates when the phone is extremely hot. I have heard about some people who connect the charger, then download the software update and keep the phone for update while the charger is still connected on. In this case, the phone becomes really hot and because of this, the display LEDs will be definitely dead. And when you reboot the phone, there will be a green line for sure. Third tip is that even if this phone is really good for gaming, buy a separate phone cooler so that the phone does not become too hot when you are gaming. Once the phone becomes hot, the display will also become hot, which will make the LED die out and you will have green line. So in brief, if you don't want green lines on your phone or if you don't want purple lines on your phone, the only thing that you have to do is take care of your phone and make sure that it's not getting too hot, because only heat and excess electric current can damage the display LEDs and cause green line. If you have any comments or want to add anything else, please use the comment section. By the way, the gist of this video is take care of your phone and the phone will work for a long period of time without any defects.